Good morning, girls. Today we start the revision for chapter 13, lesson 1, 2, and lesson 8 and 9. Okay, we can see. Now start with these question. Rename. Question number 9 onwards. You rename that means, for example, 6 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? Then you learn from this table. This one, this is your standard one. Meter is your standard one. Then you can see kilometer, decameter, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Then you are using power of 10. Every step you are using a power of 10. If you are going in, it is better you can see this one, arithmetic conversion ladder. It is not in your book, but it is very easy and you can easily convert from centimeter to meter and millimeter to centimeter. Conversion is very easy if you are using this table. In this table you can see you can move the decimal if you are moving right, if you are moving down, then you shift your decimal to the right. If you are moving in this ladder, if you are moving going up, the decimal to the left, you can see in this question. Okay, in the first one, for example, here you can see, okay, first 7 kilometer convert into the meter. Where is the kilometer? Here. Where is the meter? That means you are moving down. You are moving down, that means right. How many step? 1, 2 and 3 step. Then you can see this is your 7. Then move down, that mean right. 7. After that 1, 2 and 3. What is the answer? You can see 1, 2 and 3. 7,000 meter. For example, in this one, 240 centimeter convert into the meter. Then you can see where is the centimeter? Here. And where is the meter? Here. Then you can see in this ladder, move up. You move up. That means how many steps you move up? 1 and then 2. That means move to the left. You can see this is 0, 0 and 4. Where is the decimal? 2 after the 2. You can see here. This one 2.4. Now I think it is clear. You can check in these question also. 6 centimeter and you want to convert into the millimeter. Then you can see here in this one, where is the centimeter? Here. And where is the millimeter? Here. Then just one step down. If you one step down, move to the right. You can see 6 and 1 more 0. What is the answer? 60. This way is your book method, multiplied by 10. This is your book method. And here also this one 7 meter. Then 7 meter convert into the centimeter. Where is the meter? Meter here. And centimeter here. Then how many step down? 1 and 2. Then in this way it is very easy. 7 and 2 zeros. You are going down. Then move the decimal shift to the 2 zeros. This is 700. And in this one you can see a 453 decimeter. Decimeter, DM. DM always remember is decimeter and decameter is DEM. DAM. This is the difference. Otherwise, I think in other is no, because hecta is there, H is there. both are start with the D. That's why decameter is D, dem, and decimeter is dem. DM. Okay. Then you can see. Then you can, in this one, you can move up. You can see how many. Where is it? Here. Then you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you move 4. You are using 4. Then how to move? Left 1, 2, 3 and 1 more 0. You can see here 3, 4, 5, 4 and 0 and put a decimal. In this method, this letter method, you convert directly without any division. That's why it is a very easy method. Only just remember this. You can go down, the decimal shift to the right. You can go up, decimal shift to the left. Only this one. I think it is easy. Then in question number 15, 16 and 17 is compare. Then compare, use a less than, equal to and greater than. Then you can see in this one 0.45 meter convert in and 45 centimeter. Then you can see both have different unit. For the comparison, always remember same unit. Always remember same unit. In this one also centimeter and millimeter, different unit. Then first convert to the same unit. Then you can see 0.45 meter to centimeter. You can see meter to centimeter. How many step down? 1 and 2. That means shift the down. That means shift the right. How to write? Right side you can move the decimal. 1 and 2. That means what is the value is? 45 centimeter. Then what is the answer? Both are equal. In this one also you can see 4.8 centimeter into the millimeter. Then you can see centimeter to millimeter. Means move down only centimeter to one step. Then shift the decimal point to the right. Then right means here to, you can see this. Then what is the answer? It is 48. That means 48 is greater than 0.48. That means 4.8 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 48. I think that's why it will be a greater. 48 is greater than 0.4. Now you can see in the question number 18 and 19. In this one piece of electric wire is 35 mm long. The second piece is 34.9 centimeter long. Which piece is longer? Then again you can see here is centimeter and millimeter. You cannot compare. First in the same unit you can see 35 millimeter convert into the centimeter. Then where is the millimeter here? And go up. That means shift the decimal point to the left. Then you can see one step left. What is the answer is? 3.5. And the second rope is 34.9. Then which one is longer? The second piece is longer because 34.9, 34 is much greater than 3.5. And in the question number 2, last year's city X reported 1.65 meter of rain, and the city Y reported 131.5 centimeter of rain. Which city had more rain? Then in this one again, here is meter and centimeter. They convert into the centimeter. Then you can compare. Then 1.56 meter convert into the centimeter. Then meter to centimeter, go down to step 1 and 2. Then it move to the right. Then this decimal 1 and 2. What is the answer? 165 centimeter, and city Y is the 131.5 centimeter. That means the city X has more rain. Thank you, my dear. Now you conversion of capacity from kiloliter to hectoliter, decaliter, like this, or milliliter. Then in this one, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram. And you can see liter is the standard unit of capacity and gram is the standard unit of mass. And what about the length? Length is meter. Then you can see in this metric conversion letter, meter, liter, and gram. These are the standard unit, SI unit. Then how to convert from kilo to kilogram to gram and gram to milligram? You just see in this example, kiloliter to liter. Then 0.001 kiloliter. Then kiloliter, that means kilo here and liter here. How many step down? 1, 2, and 3. That means down 3 step. That means move to right. You can see 1, this decimal, 2, and 3. The decimal is after 1. You can see what is the answer. Decimal after 1 is 1 liter. 0.00 kiloliter is equal to 1 liter. With the help of this metric conversion ladder, you can solve. You can see 5.85 kg. Convert into the gram. Then where is the kg again? Here, and gram here. Then how? 1, 2, 3. Again 3. 2 because going down, right? 1 and 2 and 1 more. Then what is the answer? You can see 1, 2, and 3. Move the decimal like this. Then 5,850. This is your book questions. Rename each unit of measure. That means question number 1, 3, and 4, and 5 here. 11 liter. Liter to milliliter. Again liter to milliliter. 3 step down. That means move right. You can see this is your decimal point. Then move right. That means more 3. 1, 2, and 3. How many zeros? 3 0. Just check. Yes, 11,000. Again 72.5 milliliter. Convert into the liter. That means you go up 1, 2, and 3 steps. Then you can see and this one left. Then you can move 1, 2 and 1 more 0. That means what is your answer? 0.072. Yes, correct. Yes, what is the answer of 4 kg? 14 kg and how many grams? Just check. Kg to gram. You go down again. Down means right. Your decimal point is here 1, 2 and 3, 30. That means after 1430 is 14,000 gram. Check. Yes, 14,000 gram. And here in this one 300 gram. 300 gram convert into the gram. Then move, you are going down to the up. 1, 2, 3 step again. Then move towards left. 1, 2 and 3. What is the answer? 3 gram. Just check. Yes, that means your answer is correct. Now rename again in continuation. Rename each unit of measure. 0.45 liter to the milliliter, liter to the milliliter. 3 step down, right. That means move towards right. 1, 2 and 3. Then 2 after that 10. 450. Just check, you can. Yes, 450. Again in this one 621 milligrams, convert into the grams. Then you can see again 1, 2 and 3 steps. Go up. Then move the towards left. Then you can see 1, 2 and 3 here. That means 0.621. Check. Yes, 0.621. Then question number 17. 125 deciliter into the liter. Deci, you know, deci. D indicate for the deci and Da indicate for deca. Then this one is deci. Deci to deciliter to liter. That means one step up. A step up, that means move the cursor left. One step, that means 12.5 here. Yes, correct. Then 19 gram. Gram to the milligram. Again you can see 1, 2 and 3 step down. Right towards right. How many after this? 30 again, because right. Yes, 19,000 milligrams. Compare. Compare means less than, greater than or equal to. Compare these two quantities are there. Just compare which one is greater, which one is less or equal to. 24 liter. Then milliliter is convert into the liter. Which one? For the comparison, you know, first same unit. Here is liter, here is milliliter. The convert into the liter. How to convert it into the liter? It is from move up. That means left side. How many steps? 3. 1, 2 and 3. What is the answer? That means 0.24 liter is bigger or 24 liter is bigger? Yes, 24. It is much greater. Then what? You just check. Yes, your answer is correct. Then 6.6 kg is equal to 6,600 gram. Just check, because it is in kg. It is in gram. Convert into the kg again. Where is your gram here? And where is the kg here? How many steps? 1, 2 and 3. Move up. Move up means again move to the left. 1, 2 and 3. 6.6 kg. Oh, both are same. This one also 6.6. Just check. Yes, equal. 2000 milligram is equal to 20 gram. Just check which one is greater. Then the smaller unit milligram convert into the big one. How many step up? 1, 2 and 3. And move to left. 1, 2 and 3. 2.0. That means what is the value? 2 gram. 2 gram is bigger or 20 gram is bigger? Yes, 20 gram is bigger. Then check. Yes, the 20 gram is bigger. Then you can move is 28.3 liter. 3 liter is bigger than 3100. Yes, I know, because you convert milliliter to liter is shift the point 1, 2 and 3. 3.3 is bigger. 3.3 liter is bigger than 3 liter. You can see problem solving. That means word problem. A can of a condensed soup has a capacity of 320 milliliter. How many liters of soup in this? That means convert milliliter to the liter. Then how to convert? You know, your decimal is there. Milliliter to liter. Remember, from down to up. That means move left 3. 1, 2 and 3. The point is. Then you can see, yes, your answer is 0.325 liters. And this one, the mass of a bicycle is about 10 kg. How many grams is the mass of a bicycle? That means kg to gram. The kg to gram is convert from up to down. Then down means shift to the right. The decimal is here. Then add how many? 0, 3 step down. Then 3 step right. 3 more 0. That means how many grams are there? 10,000 gram. Mass of a bicycle is 10,000 gram. Yes. You can see in this one 0.325 liter of a soup in liter, and mass of a bicycle is 10,000 gram. I think you understand the lesson. If you have any difficulty, you can call or WhatsApp. Now we start the book question. In this one, is first we solve the question number 1, 2, 6, 7 and 8 in this slide. Okay. Then you can see how to solve in this one. Question number 1, you can see two opposite sides are equal and these two opposite sides are equal. That means 2L and 2W, like a rectangle. Then you, or a parallelogram also. 2L and 2W. What is the L? 7.5. And what is the W here? 5.1. Then you can see and this one 2 into 7.5 plus 2 into 5.1. 15. What is the answer? Is 25.2 meter. In this case, these type of figure, all sides are equal, are called a regular polygon. And for the regular polygon, what is the formula? NS. N is the number of side. In this case, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's why you are using 6. And is 6. What is the side length? Is 4.6 centimeters. 6 is multiplied by 4.6. What is the answer? 27.6 centimeter. In this case, you can see again a regular this one for question number 6 now. The question number 6 is regular heptagon. 7s. 7s because hepta means 7, heptagon. Regular means all sides are equal. The 7 multiplied by 45. What is the value? 315 inch. Then in the question number 7 and 8, you can see these type of figure are called the irregular figure. In the irregular figure, always remember you can add all the side like that. It is not a particular formula for this one. Only just add all the side. In this figure, 2 dimensions are given. One indicate with the single line and one with the double line. This you can see the single is 3 inches and double is 5. Then you can see here, you start from here, for example 3 inches, then 3 inches, then 5 inches, then 5 inches, then 5 inches, then 3, then 3, then 5. You can see in this one 3, 3, 5, 5 and 5, 3, 3 and 5 like this. In the same way here in the question number 8, how many the side? 12, 8, 6 and this one is your 4 and this one is your 6 and this one is your 4. This is why it is 6, because all together is 12 and 6 here. Then what is remaining? 6. And in this one you can see this is all together is 8 and this one is 4. What is the remaining one? 4. That's why this one is 4 and this one is 6. Then you can see in this one you write 12, 8, 6, 4, 6 and 4. Then you can see what is the answer. You can add all together. It is 32 inches. And in this one, all together, what is the answer? 40 meters. Now solve the question number 10. And you can see 12 and 13. Then 11 and 14, you do it yourself. Then in this one, find the length of each unknown. In this one, find the unknown. That means perimeter is given like the first one. Then what is the formula of the perimeter? What is the perimeter? 7.8 plus 8 plus x is equal to p. And what is p is given? 22.8. Then you can see how to find in this one. Then p is equal to 7.8 plus x. What is the p? 22.8 is equal to, you add these two numbers plus x. Then you can see x is equal to, because you find x, it form an equation. Then subtract both this side, 15.8 22 minus 15.8. What is the answer? The answer is 7 feet. In the same way, in this question number 12, you can see what is the perimeter. Perimeter is 26.6 and find one side Z. Then P is equal to all together this one. You can see 33.2 and Z and 5.2 and 4.8 and 6.5. And what is the perimeter? 26.6. And you can add these number 3.2, 5.3, 4.8 and 6.5. Add all number, what we get? 19.8. Then what is your aim? Find Z. Again it is in equation form. How to find? Subtract both the side. 19.8. What is the answer? 26 minus 19.8 is 6.8 meter. I think this one is clear. Then find the perimeter of a triangle with the side measuring 25 mm, 2.8 centimeter and 1.9 centimeter. For finding the perimeter, this one is important. Here is centimeter, here is centimeter, in this one mm. But you cannot add like this. First you convert this 25 mm into the centimeter, because 2 units are in the centimeter. This one also just shift to the left side. What is the value? 2.5 centimeter. 25 centimeter mm is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then you can add 2.5, 2.8 and 1.7. Then you add, what is the answer? 7.2 centimeter. The perimeter of a triangle is the 7.2 centimeter. I think you understand the lesson. It's easy. Now start with your book questions. Unsolved questions are there. Then question number 1 and 2. You can see this is your rectangle. Then L into B. This one is your square. S into S. Then how to find this one? 13.5 multiplied by 10.5. What is the answer? 139.5 centimeter square. It is, I think, very easy. And in the question number 2, side into side. Then side is 1 and a half. Then 1 and a half. Then convert into the improper fraction. Then 2 is multiplied by 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 is 9 by 4 yard square. I think this one is clear. It is easy. Then in these two, a complex. You can see this one rectangle here and one square here. Then you can add these two. Then you can find the area of this one. Question number 4. Then you can see what is the area of A1. 7 into 2.5. 7 into 2.5. What is the answer? 17.5 meter square. And A2 is 2.2 into 2.2 because this one is square. What is the answer? 6.25. What is the total area? You can add area 1 plus area 2 is 17.5 plus 6.25 is equal to 23.75. I think this part is clear. in the question 6 and 7, these two questions are more complex figures. Then in this one, this is 11 feet here and 4 here, and this all together is 12, and this part you can see it will be 9, and this one is 4 and this one is 4, and all together is 12. Then the remaining part is your 4, and in this one you can see this all together is 11. You can see here to here, and this part is your 9. Then you can see how to calculate this one. This area 1 is 11 into 4, 44, and this one is also same, 11 into 4, it is 44. What is the A3? This one, this part is your 4, and this is, you can see in this one, this all together is 11, and this part is 9. What is remaining? 2. Then 2 into 4, 8. Then you can add all, 44 plus 44 plus 8. What is the answer? 96. All together, this all together is, what is the area? 96 feet square. In question number 7, again you can divide in 4 areas, A1, A2, A3 and A4. You can see the A1 first, because you can see here is 18 and this one is 9. You can multiply 18 into 9 is 162. And then after that you can see this is all together is 18, and up to here is, you can see up to here is how much? 9, because you can see double dash here and double dash here. Then this is 9. What is remaining? 9 is remaining here. Okay, and this part is given 8 inches. That's why the second is 9 into 8, 72. In this A3, all together is 21. This part is 9, this part is 6. How much it will be? 6 plus this 9 is 15. Then how much is remaining is this, and this one 6. Okay. Understood? Then this one again, this part is 6 and here is 12. Then you can see here 6 and 12 is 72. Then you can add up all the areas, okay, and you find your answer. It's clear? Then in this one, this is a problem solving question, only just one question. In this one, find the total area of 8 rectangular wooden panel if each measure is 5.2 centimeter by 7.6 centimeter. Then what is the area of this panel? 5.2 into 7.6 is 39.52. And for 8 wooden panels, you can multiply it by 8, because this is this area for the 1, and multiplied by 8. Then find the total area of 8 panel. What is the answer? 316.16 centimeter square. Always remember this square, always the unit is in square area. I think this lesson is clear.